The situation in the Middle East appears to be becoming extremely tense once again. Adopting a firm stance, Iran has issued a direct warning to the United States if the activity of US military vessels near the Strait of Hormuz increases, they will face decisive action from the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC). According to Iran, the Strait of Hormuz constitutes a vital component of its security and strategic control. Consequently, it views any foreign military interference in this area as a violation of its sovereignty. The IRGC has made it clear that it will not tolerate any provocative action in this region and will respond immediately if necessary. This statement comes at a time when the United States has signaled its intention to increase its naval presence in the region. It is believed that the US seeks to consolidate its foothold here under the pretext of safeguarding its allies and protecting maritime trade routes. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most sensitive and critical maritime passages. Approximately 20% of the global oil supply passes through this strait. As such, any military confrontation in this region could have profound repercussions not only regionally but also on a global scale. Experts warn that if the situation deteriorates, oil prices could surge and international trade could face disruption. Furthermore, numerous nations are closely monitoring the situation as this route serves as a primary conduit for energy supplies to Asia, Europe, and other regions. Iran has also indicated that it will permit the passage of commercial vessels only under specific conditions while viewing the activity of any military vessels as a threat. Conversely, the United States and its allies are advocating for the preservation of freedom of navigation in the region. These unfolding events have generated fresh ripples with the sphere of global politics. Several international organizations, including the United Nations, are urging for concerted efforts to de-escalate the tension. However, these are as yet not indications of the concrete resolution.